Hello and welcome to the TopDot instructional video for your assembly. And I'm going to try to keep this short and sweet. I'm going to create a pyramid shaped organizer with 5 pieces, and it's going to be able to hold up to 13 bottles. And we're going to go ahead and get started with step 1. You're going to notice on these pieces that there is a white dot on them, and you want to have them all facing the same way. Let's go ahead and set up all 5 of these pieces so that they're all facing up. You notice this one's upside down, so you want to go ahead and turn that over, and this is going to make it so all the hooks can fit together properly. Now I have all 5 pieces pointed the same direction, and let's go ahead and get started with putting them together. I'm going to go ahead and take this hook, and you want to slide them together. So you want to start at the top, and you might have to kind of swivel it around a little bit, but you'll eventually find where it bites a hold of it, and then you just slide that down. There's your first 2 parts are together. Now I'm going to go ahead and connect this one in between these 2 pieces. So what I find works best for me is to start with one hook and at kind of an angle, and you'll feel it kind of bite, and then you come down and you focus on this one, and then you can push it down just like that. Now you have 3 pieces together, but you notice there's actually 4 complete cavities here. Let's go ahead and continue this out. I'm going to put piece number 4 over here, connect to that hook, and slide it down. And the last piece we're going to go ahead and connect to 3 hooks, here, here, and here. And I'm going to do the same approach where I have it at an angle, and I'm going to start with that first hook until I find where it bites, and there it's gotten a hold of it. And you can force this thing around quite a bit. It's pretty flexible. I'm going to get this second hook lined up, and now the third hook lined up, and I'm going to push that down, and I have all 5 pieces together. And hopefully this gets you started to where you can continue adding more pieces in the size and shape that you want for your space, whether you have the 5, the 15, the 35 piece set, or a combination of them. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, and I will do my best to help you. Thank you very much for watching this video.